Hey y'all, it's me Megs, and I had to come on here and tell y'all about these clip-ins that are so versatile. I've been loving these better length clip-ins, y'all, for all different type of styles. This texture I have is the double wefted 20-inch light Yaki, and I love how their packaging comes. It comes in a really cute satin bag. With the light Yaki texture, I suggest you get 2 bundles of clip-ins for a full look. And this actually isn't my first time using light Yaki clip-ins from Better Length. I've actually worn these clip-ins in the past, but this is a nice fresh bundle and I wanted to play with them. And this light Yaki texture mimics my texture of hair since I am relaxed. I do feel like these would be great for anyone who gets silk presses as well. So each weft is very, very thin and the clip-ins are sewn on pretty well here. And you do get a few different lengths as far as width of the weft with the clips per bundle. I would actually totally suggest you get 2 bundles of clip-ins because I like a fuller look to my looks because I do have fine hair myself and I want to get a little glam sometimes. So I will say they do straighten pretty well straight out of the pack because normally I like to shampoo and condition my clip-ins, but with this light Yaki texture, you want to be careful of over shampooing and over conditioning because the hair can get weighed down pretty easily. So my hair is really dirty and I always know when my hair is a bit dirty and weighed down from me wearing it flat iron, they blend effortlessly. And so I'm gonna go in with the 2 clip weft here and I'm just gonna pop that bad boy in. And with this installation, I did part my hair behind my ears in half to make installing the clip-ins a lot easier to pop in there. So the hair is feeling really soft like always, and so I am gonna go in with a 2 clip weft here and pop that in too. And now I'm gonna move on to my 3 clip-in weft. So basically I'm just placing the clips within the width of my parts, or my section rather. And it's blending because my hair is good and weighed down too. Because, you know, I needed to be somewhere. I need to be cute really quick. And I need to pop these in. So, you know, they're so easy to pop in when you're on the go too. So this is actually was this a 4 clip weft? I believe this was. I think. So then I'm just going to proceed to pop the clip-ins in once I get to the top. And I did, you know, make my sections within the parts to place the clip-in fairly thin. So you want to make sure you get a nice seamless install. And so 2 bundles of these 20-inch light Yaki, I really feel like it's necessary. I really do. So I'm going to just continue to pop these in. And I'm really loving the color. This color is 1B off black because my hair is naturally really dark. But y'all peep some of them, you know, glitter hairs that I got going on. I don't know what I want to do with them. I don't know if I should keep them shining or what. But I really love that the wefts lay really flat. That is a big plus because it's, you know, giving very flat, very realness in a healthier way. Because when I do pop in clip-ins, I only wear them for an hour or 2 and take them right off. So they always feel really comfortable. So I'm really happy that I'm having that same experience with this new set of clip-ins from Better Length. So then I just pop a 2 clip-in here because as I get to the top, I want to make sure that, say if the wind blows, I won't be clogged. And I really feel like with having more clip-ins with these 2 bundles, I'm able to place the clip-ins closer together, so if the wind does blow, you can't really see them as much. You get what I mean? So see how as I'm combing this out, it's like no emptiness, no signs of anything looking like a track. So placing them closer together, I feel like I always get a better look out of this texture here. Ooh. And it's just very lightweight too. So I'm going to go ahead and part the side. I decided I wanted a deep side part because I was feeling sultry with this makeup look. I wanted like a deep kind of like mysterious side part. So with this clip-in bundle, it does come with a really long weft. And mind you, this clipping set is double wefted, okay? So this one had 5 clips on it. So I decided to cut the clips into 1 clip each to place near my hairline, because I'd like to place these clips a bit further back away from my face, because if the wind blows again, I'm still giving natural. You know, it's not giving like, ooh, your clipping is showing, girl. So I wanted my hair also to be tucked behind my ear, so that just made it really nice and comfortable. And I've noticed just placing 1 clip here like this just gives me a very natural, very flat look. And I really love that about these clip-ins, because I've been wearing these like on and off for the past, about 2 to 3 years now, and I've always had a really nice natural install with these, and very easy to pop in. So I'm going to take this clip in with 2 clips, and I'm just going to pop these in at a slight diagonal part that I placed here. So I'm just going to pop those in, because this helps me get a little more drama with my side part. So I'm going to continue to place these. I'm going to go ahead and do a 2 clip weft here. And these clip-ins always blend so effortlessly. And again, I'm going to take a 2 clip weft here, pop these open. They're really easy to snap open and snap in, which I really do appreciate. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that there. And it just blends and looks so natural. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the rest of this leave out and just blend that in with a comb like this. And for an even more natural look, I feel like adding a few layers in the front to give it a little more body, it would definitely give that, but I'm growing my hair out, so I'm going to keep it 1 length for now. I'm going to take my EAP flat iron here. Just allows me to get really close to the roots, because I am a couple weeks post relaxer. So I'm going to lay that down just a little bit on a very low setting. And you know, this iron is really good for creating those like curly baby hairs. I've done them on my niece and a little sister. I'm like, oh, that's cute. So yes, this hair is definitely blending and it's giving what I wanted it to give. I'm very happy that the quality is still there. So I'm gonna go in with this product by Affirm. I cannot think of the name and I can't see the label. My eyes are getting bad, but it's a really good kind of like headdress that just helps me lay down any flyaways and help blend the hair even more. So the name of that product will be down in the description. So as you can see, it adds some great shine to it too, and it's really nice and lightweight because I am relaxed and I do have fine hair, so I don't want anything too greasy or making my hair feel laid down. And this is Affirm's Sensational Edges Edge Control that I have been living for. Like, it is so good, especially when I'm a couple weeks post relaxer. It smooths everything out, just makes everything just easy to brush through. And I like that it's not drying for my edges too. So these products really give me a nice shine and really non-greasy. So I am going to apply some hairspray to the top of my hair just to hold things in place as far as the leave out goes. And as you can see here, it's giving realness. I love it so much, and I love that they're really nice and lightweight. And I really love that better length. The company has, many different textures of clip-ins that they specialize in making. So they go really well with relaxed texture, silk press texture, and natural textures, anything from like 3A through 4C, and kinky textures and things like that. So I really love Better Length because they really have pretty much anything that you could ever need for any and everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and change the style here. I'm going to go ahead and take those clip-ins out, place 2 clip-in weft towards the back here, and I'm going to part this in the middle because I am going to do a half up, half down with this look. So placing these clip-ins going all back in one direction will help me be able to pull my hair up. So I put about 3 in so far, and this is the 4th one, and this is a single clip weft here. So I'm gonna brush this back, and I honestly probably could have put one more clip in at the top, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my hair up, and I really love that this was just so easy to do, especially when you want to be cute but without so much effort, you know? So I'm just going to go ahead and take the sides out because I wanted a little messy look to this look. Something just easy breezy, like, oh, I ain't doing nothing, just here. So I'm going to take an ouchless band and I'm going to go ahead and, tie that up there. And they're laying really flat. I really love these clip-ins because they lay so flat. So if you want to do your hair up, down, really anything, you can pretty much achieve it because the wefts are so flat. Okay, and I'm just loving how this is looking. So cute. So I wanted a little more messy look, so I just started to play with the top just a little bit. Thumbnail. So, and then I thought like, ooh, you could probably do like a cute band too with this little bun. Put a little hairspray to make it a little more neater, but I just wanted to see. And I was like, oh, I could do that. Do some, some fun stuff with that. So I'm definitely going to do more styles with these because this was cute. I liked it. Well, then I thought, let's try a ponytail. So I'm going to create a big, like, O part in the back of my head. Pretty much really close to the nape area. And about halfway on the top half of my head, like that. So it's just like a big O. And I'm going to go ahead and use an ouchless band and tie a ponytail back there. You can choose whatever height you want, but I wanted mine kind of like mid. And I'm going to take a 2 clip-in weft clip-in and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And boom, that's in. And I'm going to continue placing clip-ins until I get the fullness that I desire. So I'm going to go ahead and place another 2 clip-in weft here and tie that at the top. Well, not tie it, but clip it. And then I'm going to take another 2 clip-in weft and I'm going to place that upside down and clip it underneath there. And I'm going to take a 1 clip-in weft on each side and place those on the side. So I'm basically trying to fill in the ponytail. I actually should have put probably about 4 more 1 clip-in wefts for a fuller look, but I feel like this still worked out really well. And I'm going to put a little more of the Hairdress cream on just to smooth my ponytail out. Brush this on in. And it just makes it really easy to throw up into a ponytail because it lays so flat. Again, take an ouchless band. Sometimes I use 2 ouchless bands just to help, anchor everything that you got going on. But these are definitely very comfortable. I didn't feel anything pulling on my hair or my scalp when, applying these clip-ins in multiple styles. So I'm just going to go ahead and comb this in to blend it out a little bit more. And again, y'all, when I do wear clip-ins, I only wear them for about an hour or 3 or 2. Never for a very long time, and I don't sleep in these. So I am really enjoying these clip-ins. They're very soft. The quality is still there after so many years. And I'm really loving the look. It gives a really nice natural look. And that's what I really love about Better Length clip-in and their hair textures. I've tried many of their hair textures. So if you are interested in checking out Better Length for yourself, I do have a coupon code, which is Megan1163 to get some money off any clip-ins that are double wefted. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.